If you're wanting to make a diagonal cut on a piece of wood, you can use this tool right here. It's called a miter box. You set it right along the edge of the table. Place your wood in there. You're going to need to use a clamp or two to hold it in place. So we'll put this clamp on this end. Make sure you tighten it really well. And we'll do another one on the other side. And then this saw right here works with this tool. These slots right here are where you can put the saw in and cut at an angle. So you can start out slowly to make sure you've got a nice clean cut in the top, like that. And then you can keep going and saw through a piece of wood. As you get closer to the bottom, you're going to see the end of the bottom of the saw here is going to get close to this little notch here, and you can see how much you have left to go. Right at the very end, you can go a little slower. Until you've gone all the way through. Lighter pressure helps at the bottom here. Okay, now we're going to take these off. And sometimes when you do it, it doesn't go all the way through, and you can put it back in to finish it off. Makes a nice cut like that, and the great part is you can turn it and glue it together to make a corner joint like that.